Good morning everyone. We'll start with class 5th subject SST chapter 3rd movement of the earth. The different position of the sun at a different time of the day gave us the impression that the sun moved from one corner to the sky to the other. But the fact is that the sun does not move. It only appears that sun rises in the east and sets in the west every day. In the previous class, you have learned that earth has two kinds of movement, rotation and revolution. So let us learn about more these movement of the earth. First, we talks about the rotation of the earth. The spinning movement of the earth along its axis is called rotation. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. The axis is an imaginary line from North Pole to the South Pole along which the earth rotates. The axis of the earth is slightly tilted one side. At any point of time, only some part of the earth faces the sun. The part of the earth that faces the sun experiences day, and the other part of the earth that does not face the sun experiences night. This spinning motion of the earth causes day and night. Look at this picture. The earth rotates from west to east. This is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. This is night and that shows the day. Because the sun rays fall in this part, so there is a day and there is a night. The earth rotates from west to east, so the place in the east have sunrise earlier than the place in the west. The sun is fixed in one position and the earth rotates from the west to east. Therefore, it appears to us that the sun rises in the east, travels across the sky and sets in the west. Let us understand how rotation causes day and night with the help of a torch and globe. Suppose the torch is the sun and the globe is the earth. When we flash the torch on a globe from one side in a dark room, only half of the globe gets lighted. The other half globe is in darkness. Now let us mark one half of globe as E and other half as W. If the light of the torch fall on E, this is W, E, it has day, and that time W in darkness and has night. Slowly rotate the globe in anti-clockwise direction and stop halfway. You will notice that W slowly gets lighted, it has day, and E has now moved into darkness, it has night. Okay, when the earth rotates, the part of the earth that faces the sun receives light and experiences day, while other half of the earth does not receive light and experience night. The experiment also shows that the earth rotates on its axis, also west to east. The eastern part of earth faces the sun first. The western part of the earth receives sunlight later. Now as we talk about the revolution of the earth, in addition to rotation, the earth also moves around the sun on a fixed path called its orbit. This movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. The earth takes about 365 days to complete one revolution. We consider one calendar year to have 365 days. The balance 14 days, 6 hours is added over 4 years in a row. This adds up to an additional 24 hour or 1 day. Once in every year, this extra day is added to the month of February. As a result, February has 29 days and we have 366 days in that year instead of 365. This year is called a leap year. Okay, in this video we talk about the rotation and the revolution of the earth. Okay, there is a 2 question regarding your home assignment. First one is define revolution, and then first one is rotation and then second is revolution. What is rotation? The earth's spinning movement on its tidal axis is called rotation, and the next is revolution. The earth's movement around the sun on its fixed path is called revolution.